Did you know the way you clean your LVP flooring could actually make it wear out faster? Most homeowners think they're protecting their floor, but a single wrong product can permanently dull or ruin their finish. I'll show you how to clean LVP flooring the right way so it keeps it like new shine for years. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 things you need to know to keep your LVP floors in perfect condition. First, the safest way to clean without damaging the LVP finish. Second, we will cover which products are safe to use and which ones you should never touch. And third, my exact step-by-step cleaning routine that keeps floors looking brand new without all the guesswork. Think of your LVP floors like a new car. It's tough and built to last, but if you wash it with the wrong soap or scratch it with a rough sponge, it won't stay shiny for long. Your floors are the same exact way. Cleaning them right makes all the difference. Before I show you the cleaning routine, let's head to Home Depot to see what tools we need. Alright, so we're here at Home Depot in the cleaning aisle section. So here are a few things you definitely don't want to use. So anything like a mop like this that usually absorb a lot of water, or something like this, try to avoid it unless you really squeeze out the water. What we recommend is usually this Bona microfiber towel here, or something like this with an attachment that has a microfiber towel. Now let's look at some of the cleaning products we have here. So if you come this way, you'll notice a bunch of different cleaning products. For example, you definitely don't want to use anything like this, where it says make your floor new again, shines, protects. Anything with waxes, oils, you want to fully avoid. What we recommend is usually just warm water and then maybe a neutral pH floor cleaner. So this Bona product is our #1 recommended product. Here, as you can see, is made specifically for laminate or for vinyl in laminate floors. And the cleaner or the mop we use most often is this mop here with a microfiber towel attachment to it. Alright, we're back. So what you'll need is a soft broom or a vacuum without a rotating beater bar. You'll also need a microfiber mop. I recommend the Bona Premium mop. Then an LVP specific cleaner like Bona's LVP cleaner. And a few microfiber towels. Now here's what you should absolutely avoid: steam mops, abrasive pads, wax, lacquer, detergents, polishers, bleach, ammonia, soaps, mop and shine products, or anything that says bring your floors back to life. Those usually contain chemicals or waxes that will damage the finish and leave buildup. Now for the cleaning routine, the first step is to sweep or vacuum. Always start by removing dirt with a soft broom or a vacuum on the hard floor. Dirt is like sandpaper. If you don't get rid of it first, every mop pass is scratching the wear layer. Step 2. Get some warm water ready and mix with a pH neutral cleaner that is non-oil based and manufacturer recommended. Or use a specific LVP Bona product. This is what I prefer to use right here. Never reach for bleach, ammonia, or soaps. They dull the finish and may even void your warranty. Step 3. Mop with the grain. Use a microfiber mop that's slightly damp but not soaking wet. Mop in the direction of the planks and rinse your mop head often. If you use too much water, it can seep into the seams, so a damp pass is all you need. Step 4. Spot clean stains if needed. For sticky messes that don't come out easily, use a soft cloth, with your solution. For tougher stains like paint, nail polish, or sticky residue, try a little mineral spirits first. Then re-clean with your solution. If that doesn't do the trick, as a last resort, you can use a tiny bit of acetone on a soft cloth. Always spot test before testing it out in the open. Step 5. Dry if needed. But if you use a good cleaner, it will air dry quickly and leave streak-free finish. If you use something else, make sure you do not leave standing water on your floors. Usually you won't need to towel dry, but if you see puddles, wipe them up immediately with a microfiber towel. Now, you might be thinking, how often should I do this to keep my floors clean? Sweep or vacuum 1 to 2 times a week, or more in homes with kids or pets. And use a damp mop about once a week, and more often in high traffic areas like the kitchen, entryways, or hallways. Now, let's talk about the most common issues I come up with. Using too much water and leaving puddles to air dry. 2. Using the wrong cleaners, things like ammonia, bleach, or wax. 3. Using a steam mop even if the box says it's safe. 4. Using the wrong type of cleaning mop. Using the right mop is very important. 5. Ignoring the instructions in your warranty guide. And that brings me to an important reminder. Always check your floor's warranty guide before using any cleaner. The wrong product can void your warranty coverage, and most people don't realize that until it's too late. Beyond cleaning, there are a few simple ways to protect your floors long term. Always use felt pads under your furniture. Place mats by entry doors and sliding doors to catch mud, grit, and sand before it gets dragged in. And don't drag heavy furniture across the floor. Lift it or use sliders. And rotate rugs or furniture once in a while to keep wear even across the surface. From my own experience, the #1 issue clients call me about is streaks. Almost always it comes down to using the wrong cleaner, usually something with waxes or soaps. The best way to avoid streaks is to use a microfiber mop with damp warm water or an LVP specific cleaner like Bona. That combination has worked best in my clients' homes every single time. You can really see the difference when your floor is cleaned properly. By the way, if you know any other tricks for cleaning LVP that I didn't cover here, drop them in the comments down below. It will help me and it will help everyone else watching this video. Watch one of these 2 videos next.